Hello my friends, welcome to another exciting episode in our Photoshop effects series. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create the 3D balloon foil effect inside of Photoshop. Yes, these designs inside of Photoshop, right? It's very possible. Before I start, if you've not subscribed to my channel, now is the best time to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you miss any of the videos I will drop in after this time around. So the first thing, head up to Photoshop, and I'm going to be using size 1920 by 1080 pixels, please, and resolution 300 RGB, then transparent background, and of course click on create like this. Then you're greeted with the interface just this way, right? So adjustment layer, click on solid. I'm going to use a white color for the background, right? Good, and click OK. So now the next thing I'm going to do is go over to my text tool, and I'm just going to type a simple word, wow. Right, so I'm using the Galano Grotesque, right? So this font, I talked about it on Twitter a few days ago, right? And it's also inside of the Smart Graphic Designer Premium Assets, right? So you can get yours there if you have gotten yours, download and install to follow up in this tutorial, right? So I have my text ready. So the next thing I'm going to use is I'm going to make sure action is available, right? So if you cannot see action here, what you need to do is simply go over to Windows and make sure it's activated, because we're going to be using an action command to generate this 3D effect, right? So the link in the description has this action file. So make sure you're selecting the layer first and go over to your action and go over to your resource file. The link to download this is in the description of this video. So drag and drop here like this, and voila. So this is the file we are going to work in. So you have various color, but I'm going to be using the gold, right? So when you've selected the one you want to use, just come here and click on play. It's that simple. Immediately you click on it, Photoshop processes it like this, and give it time to load up, and there you have it, your nice good foil effect, right? So it doesn't stop here. There are some things you can do to make it better. Like for instance, you can come over here and increase the saturation to make it pop more. If you are really invested in making things pop, this is for you. You can come over to vibrance, and you can also take it all the way up to make it pop more like this, right? You can see increase vibrance and reduce vibrance. You can see the difference, right? Or better still, if you want to take things a notch up, you can go over to hue and saturation and play with the sliders here to give you something. You can see from gold, you can see what it's actually giving me, right? So I can do this, and when I have what I want, instead of going back creating other things, I can use hue and saturation. I can also go to the background and also change the color of the background by sampling a color from the image itself, which is this blue. This blue here. Why is it not changing? Okay, I think I know the problem. Click on this hue and saturation and clip it to the effects. Make sure you do that before you change the background. So go over to the background and double click again once more, and now you can use this shade of blue as the background. And this could just be the beginning of a beautiful design that you're creating. And that is how I created this particular thumbnail for this video, right? So if you like this video, you like the effects, make sure you click the thumbs up, you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Very, very important. I will see you in the next video just up above. Ciao.